white sharks and electric eels, jellyfish and elephant seals. In the ocean, la 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 la. In the ocean, la 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 la. I know a place that's deep and blue. Tons of creatures swim on through. Great white sharks and electric eels, jellyfish and elephant seals. Jellyfish and elephant seals. Hello guys! Let's dive deep to the ocean today and discover whom can we meet there. Splash! Oh look, it's whale! Turtle! Turtle swimming towards us. Oh, be careful, it's swordfish. Look there, it's a stingray. What a beautiful pink starfish. Oh no, be careful, it's a squid. Oh no, it's a shark. Let's swim away faster. Do you remember a song? Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh no, it's not a baby shark, it's a mommy or daddy shark. Swim away. Whew, it's safety here. Oh, look, what a lovely seahorse. I found a lot of scallops. Look, I can see a lot of shrimps. I found pearl. What a lovely pearl. Oh, look, it's an octopus. And I found mussels. Look, there is a family of lobsters. Oh, I can see a giant jellyfishes. What a beautiful fur seal. It seems to me that he is dancing. I can find fishes around. Purple, yellow, and blue and green. Fishes are everywhere, look. And I found the biggest fish. And I found a dolphin. Dolphins are very clever. Sometimes they even save people. Here is Mr. Crab. Look at him. That was wonderful underwater travel. And now it's time to swim to our mommy. Bye-bye, ocean. See you later. I like the ocean. I like the sea. I like the water splashing on me. I like the ocean. I like the sea. I like the water splashing on me. I like the ocean. I like the sea. I like the water splashing on me. I like the ocean. I like the sea. I like the water splashing on me.
Oh yeah!